Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another unboxing video from your creative studio. Yes, all the links will be below. Now this box tells me, I do believe, whoops, on the side, that it is the March 2022 box. And these are subscription boxes that have vintage related items in them, stationery items, and they are super fun. And you can go down, in the links below to get their the website. Click on that, and they have the subscription boxes per month, and you can order up to 4 months, I do believe, and or more. I'm not really sure, but you get a discount, with each. Like if you get one box, it's the regular price. If you sign up for a 2-month subscription, then you get a discount. If you sign up for 3 months, you get even more of a discount, that type of thing. So let's just get started. Now this box came like this. Like someone kicked it. I'm not really sure. This has never happened before from your creative studio, so I don't know. We'll see. Let's just get into it together. I love these boxes because they just give you, like, I don't know, the perfect amount. You know what I mean? It really is a great deal. Now the card inside, this is going to be, it looks like a floral box. And so each time you get your little thank you card, so sweet. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful business card. And a little thank you, And this always gives you a glimpse into what is going to be in the box, okay? So let's see. We'll just put that right there. All right, I'm going to take this out carefully, and they always wrap it so sweetly. Let's scooch that aside and get this out here. Remove the box. I do replace everything that I unbox here. I replace back in the box, and I have all the boxes so that everything stays in one place for right now. Yeah, so this is the March box, and let's just get started. I save all of this stuff. I use it on my pages for my creative journal, or, in other journals. And again, they are vintage themed stationery subscription boxes. This paper is really fun to use. It's like waxy on the one side, kind of, and it has just beautiful images on the other side. Okay, so let's get started. It appears to be upside down, which is fine. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, cling stamps. Now you do get, in each of the boxes, you get a few cling stamps each month, which are super fun. And then you get, well, you'll see as I go along, just a bunch of other stuff that is so useful. And if you were to go out and purchase everything separately, yeah, it would break the bank. But that's why these boxes are so great, because you get like a sampling. It's like a sampler box. It's so fun. Okay, so here's this stamp. Look how beautiful that is without the glare. It's like a script stamp with flowers, a floral script stamp. And I do really enjoy these stamps very much. They stamp super well. I would also save this. This is a really nice, sturdy little bag, right? And to use in a journal somehow. So that's super fun. Sorry about the glare. Here would appear to be another cling stamp. Yep. And, oh, lots of cling stamps. Look at that. Another wonderful item to reuse. That's another thing that I really enjoy about these boxes, is that not only can you obviously use the beautiful items that they send you, but you can use almost all of the packaging, reuse it. So here's another one, beautiful, like, I don't know, floral, dandelion looking thing. I'm not really sure. This is another beautiful floral. And when you stamp them out, so 4 more cling stamps, floral cling stamps, and when you stamp them out, I don't know if you can see the back there, they are so detailed and crisp. They're really, really nice. So I know it's glary. I'm sorry. Sorry. We'll fix that hopefully in a minute. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay. Again, with The sample. I can't read this. These appear to be tickets. Let's see if we can get into the packaging. Everything is packaged so nicely. And again, like I said, you can, you know, upcycle, reuse, whatever you want to call it, the packaging. Okay, let's see if I can go at it this way without ruining anything. Okay, let's see if I can open it. There we go. Okay, just getting it started. All right, I love these. And everything is just so pretty. Oh my goodness. And it's all coordinating, right? So again, with the packaging, this is like the little box that it came in. I would so take this box apart and use it, you know? So usable. So let's see what we got here. Now, these are all attached. Look at that. Look how fabulous that is, okay? They're all attached with a piece of twine, so they're not gonna get lost. And, ooh, the top one is like a vellum piece. Oh, that's fun. Huh. Blindness can increase your courage because you can't see danger. Huh. Interesting. And then look at these. Oh my gosh, are they stickers? No. Yes, maybe? I don't know. Let's check it out. It's always these boxes, I'm telling you, oh my gosh, they are stickers. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. Okay. And look, just all different kinds of birds. I love birds. Oh, and little bunnies and oh my gosh, these are beautiful. And it doesn't appear as though any are repeating. I hope you can see these. And I love that they're attached together. So I am not in danger. Ooh, bunnies. Oh, how cute. Oh, more bunnies and birds. Ooh, foxes, mushrooms and mice, little moles. Oh my gosh. These are adorable. And to my knowledge, it doesn't appear as though, oh, a bee, any of them are repeating. Oh my gosh, and there are so many. I mean, look at that. It's like a paint chip of tickets. Oh, these are gorgeous. And, you know, like I said, they are stickers. They're all stickers. Oh no, these are almost coming apart. Okay, we're gonna fix that right quick and tie a knot here. They're all stickers, so you can either use them as a whole sticker. Oh gosh, let's get this situated. Use them as a whole sticker, or you can cut them apart and use them separately. Brilliant idea. Oh, I love that. Okay. Let's like get these like that maybe. I don't know. I just want to be able to show you all the different things. Okay, let's see what these are. Ooh, let's scoot this over a little bit. Okay. Now, these are vellum pieces. Yeah, just vellum pieces with super tiny writing in not English. Okay. Oh, some of them are. Be happy in the moment, that's enough. Each moment is all you need, not more. Oh, these are gorgeous. And they're perforated, right? So you get 2 on each page. These are beautiful. Okay, I'm not really, it doesn't, okay, no, it doesn't say because it's all not in English. But, oh, look, some are colored. Oh, wow. Yeah, these are like little vellum. How beautiful is that? Oh, golly day. That's beautiful. And you get a bunch. You get a bunch, you know? That's fun. Oh, look at this. Okay, washi tape. Washi tape is always fun. And again, these are themed boxes, so everything coordinates. You know, they're coordinating. This is pretty vintage, vintage looking floral washi. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. Wow. Oh, I love these boxes. I just can't tell you how much. Let's see what's in here. Okay, a little box. I love the packaging. I love the boxes. Oh my goodness. Each box, it's like Christmas morning. And everything is usable. Like I said, everything is usable. Let's see what these are. Oh, my favorites. Oh my goodness, look at that. From the smallest label, these are all stickers, and those are small ones. Whoops, sorry, my big fat hand in the way. Ooh, numbers and all sorts of different, you know, various small labels. Oh my gosh, and so many of them. I love those, and they look so nice on collages, vintage, you know. Oh my goodness. And then all of these, like these bigger ones. Oh, I love these. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait until, let me just tell you, until I have the time to sit and make a journal. That is my goal with all of these items. Oops, whoops, we've got numbers running away. Is to sit and make, well, I can make many journals out of all of this, but oh, so beautiful. And I love that little matchbox. Like, how cute is that, right? Labels, oh, so fun. Now this looks lovely. This is, let's see, this is, okay, a bunch of various papers, and these are great too for collaging, you know, to layer. And they're very thin paper, all different, maybe 2 of each design, it appears, and then some that are a little bit bigger, all floral. Beautiful. I love florals. Oh, look at that. Nice. Okay, love that. And again, all of these, like, I could use a piece of this, one of these tickets, one of these, and a label, and kabam, you know, I have a journal tag or whatever I want to use it for, or just a beautiful collage for fun, or whatnot. Okay, those are beautiful papers. Oh, here's a little itty bitty package. Oh, the Pursuit of Happiness. Let's see. Oh, I wonder if these are like little tickets. I love these things. Oh, it's like a book that goes this way. How fun is that? Okay, these are like little vellum tickets, right? How fun are they, right? And they just come right out. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Beautiful, and all in a little book. Oh, so cute. And then when you're done with the book, like, you know, or you could take all these out and keep them separately, but you can make a little itty bitty journal out of that. How fun is that? These are beautiful little vellum stickers, floral, so delicate, so beautiful. Love that. They just give you a smattering of so many different things, you know? Oh, it's so fun. Let's see what these are. These appear to be paper ephemera. And again, I would use this as a journaling tag. You know, I could make a journaling tag with all of these bits and, you know, for a journal. How fun is that? Oh, these are double-sided. Aren't they pretty? And they're like, they're cardstock, you know. They are super pretty. It looks like they're all the same, are they? No. Okay, so you get, you know, I don't know, 10 maybe, or 6 or something, of the same motif, you know. And then here are some that are going, oh no, they can go either way. There's a hydrangea. Those are pretty. So 3 separate designs. How beautiful are those? For journaling cards, or you can make your own tags or collages on them. And again, like I said, even this packaging, sorry if there's a glare, you can use that to make your own tag. Oops. Come on now, work with me. I'm telling you guys, these boxes are just fun. They're just fun. Okay, hopefully that's not too glary. Okay, look at these. Oh. These are gorgeous. And then on the back, you see they're deco stickers, so you can see, if there's not a glare, you can see the individual ones, right? So that's what's in the packaging. And these, again, these are like washi flakes. So, oh, how beautiful is that? Oh my word. Oh my word. I'm gonna have a field day when I get the time. And let me tell you, that time is coming soon. It is coming soon. Oh my goodness. And of course I will bring you along. I want to put this back in here so that it, oh dear, what happened? Oh my, it's coming off. That's what happened. Okay. All right, we're not gonna fuss with that right now. Okay. I really, really like that though. And then in the bottom of the box, a lot of times they have, hopefully that's not glaring. No, stickers, beautiful. They have various papers, right? Oh, so beautiful, beautiful. You could literally make an entire journal out of just these items, right? This I would use as a journaling card or as a tip out or whatever. Look at these. They're super thin paper, which is glorious, let me just tell you, to work with. Four pages of the same, you know, motif, right? Hydrangeas. Oh, so beautiful. All this floral paper, right? Would look beautiful in a collage, beautiful on a tag, beautiful anywhere. Oh my goodness. Yeah, four pages of each design. And it's nice and thin, which, you know, if you collage things is a fabulous thing, you know? So you don't bulk up your pages. Oh, that's super fun. That's super fun. And then I'm just getting up and down to check the glare. Uh-oh. I think these might be large sticker papers, which I love these. Yeah, they are. Okay, let's see. That one's stuck. No biggie. Okay, so these are the same type, you know, again, everything is coordinating, right? So beautiful. And these are on a large piece of sticker paper. Look at that, like an entire square. This looks to be like a 6 by 6 inch square. Oh, this is fun to tear. I've used these before in other boxes. I tear them and, you know, you can use them to make collage. You can use them as a starter for one, you know, big page or whatever the case is. Love that. Love the sticker paper. So that is March box, March 2022 box. Oh, let's put this the right way. And this can go under here. So how fun, right? Everything again is coordinating. It has the same theme. It's all vintage theme, which is beautiful. And you just get so many like labels and little pieces of paper and vellum and stickers and washi and stamps and paper and washi flakes that are absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. More stickers here and paper, cards. I mean, this is all, you can use every single bit of this and the packaging to create a journal. Not just a journal page or a tag, but an entire journal, you know? Oh, so beautiful. Thank you so much to Your Creative Studio for gifting me this box for March. I thoroughly enjoy it. It is so beautiful, and I thank you so much for your generosity. And I hope y'all check out Your Creative Studio because, as you can see, they have beautiful items. They're all great quality. You get just such a variety of things. I just love it. I love it. So make sure you check the link below. And I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. That was a lot of fun, and I cannot wait to use all of this beautiful stuff. Ooh, it's like Christmas. Okay, so thank you again for watching. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll also put in the link below. I do believe I have an unboxing playlist. So you'll find all the other boxes that I've received in the past. You'll find those unboxings on there. Take a gander if you wish. Thank you again so much for sharing your time with me. I really hope you check out Your Creative Studio because, I mean, like I said before, if you were to buy all these things separately, it would cost an arm and a leg, but it's nice to get everything in one box that's all coordinating. You can use everything. So yeah, check them out. So thank you so much again for sharing your time with me. I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day, a fabulous week, and I will talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.